ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ 6th ಸೆಷನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡಾಗ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೇ he was living? The dog was tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. He is sick and not happy with the way living. Second question. With what words did the wolf reply to the dog? What did he mean by that? Why not? No, the wolf said the meat he agreed to be the dog's master. Third question. Why did the dog take up service with the bear? By seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service the bear. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಫುಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬಾಯ್.